The air compressor powers everything from massive industrial machines to the tools in your garage. But where did this incredible invention come from? The story begins thousands of years ago with a surprising twist involving human breath and ancient fire. Welcome back to Objectified, the channel where everyday objects get their moment in the spotlight. Today, the focus is on air compressors, a device that seems simple but has a history stretching back to the dawn of civilization. From ancient bellows to modern machines, the journey of the air compressor reveals human ingenuity at its finest. This video will uncover the origins, evolution, and surprising impact of air compressors on the world. Stick around for some mind-blowing facts and a story that will change how you see this unsung hero of technology. The tale of air compressors starts around 3000 BCE, when humans first needed to control air to fuel fire. Early metalworkers discovered that blowing air into flames made them burn hotter, essential for smelting metals like gold and copper. The earliest air compressor, the human lung. People used their breath to stoke fires, but lungs could only produce a weak puff, about 0.02 to 0.08 bars of pressure. Nowhere near enough for serious metalwork. By 1500 BCE, ingenuity took over. Enter the bellows, a hand-operated device that looked like a flexible bag. Bellows delivered a concentrated blast of air, perfect for achieving the high temperatures needed for metallurgy. These early tools were operated by hand or foot, a massive leap from relying on breath alone. Fast forward to the Industrial Revolution in the 18th century, and air compressors began to take shape as we know them. In 1762, engineer John Smeaton designed a water wheel-driven blowing cylinder, a mechanical device that pushed air more efficiently than bellows. This invention powered early industrial forges and mines. Then, in 1776, John Wilkinson created a blasting machine, a mechanical air compressor that became the prototype for modern designs. Wilkinson's machine was a game-changer, delivering consistent air pressure for industrial tasks like metal fabrication and mining ventilation. The 19th century saw air compressors become industrial powerhouses. In 1800, engineers started using compressed air to transmit energy, a revolutionary idea. By 1888, Austrian engineer Victor Popp built the first compressor plant in Paris, a 1,500 kilowatt beast that grew to 18,000 kilowatts in just 3 years. This plant powered tools, machinery, and even early attempts to supply compressed air to entire cities. The late 19th century also brought air compressors to construction. During the 1857 Italy-France rail system project, compressors pumped air into an 8-mile tunnel, ensuring workers could breathe underground. This marked a shift as compressors moved beyond metalwork to diverse applications. The 20th century was the golden age for compressor innovation. Reciprocating compressors, which used pistons to compress air, dominated early industrial use. These machines were reliable but noisy, maintenance-heavy, and limited to a 50% duty cycle due to overheating. Then, in the 1930s, rotary screw compressors emerged. Invented in Germany, these used 2 rotating screws to compress air, offering smoother operation, lower maintenance, and a 100% duty cycle. By the 1970s, rotary screw compressors became the industry standard, thanks to advances in machining that allowed tighter tolerances for better efficiency. Today, air compressors are everywhere. Oil-free rotary screw models power food processing and semiconductor manufacturing, where purity is critical. Variable speed drives and advanced lubricants have made modern compressors more efficient and eco-friendly, reducing energy costs and environmental impact. From powering pneumatic tools to enabling high-tech industries, air compressors are the backbone of modern life. Air compressors have shaped industries and cultures in unexpected ways. During the Industrial Revolution, they enabled mass production, transforming economies and creating jobs. Factories relied on compressed air to run machinery, paving the way for modern manufacturing. In mining, compressors provided ventilation, making deep underground work safer and more feasible. In the 20th century, air compressors became symbols of progress. They powered the construction of skyscrapers, bridges, and tunnels, shaping the modern world's infrastructure. In pop culture, air compressors found a niche in automotive and DIY communities. The hum of a compressor in a garage became synonymous with creativity, from custom car painting to home repairs. Even artists embraced compressed air, using airbrushes to create stunning visuals in everything from murals to movie props. Globally, air compressors reflect cultural values of innovation and adaptability. In Japan, precision-engineered compressors are a point of pride in manufacturing. In the United States, portable compressors are a staple for DIY enthusiasts, embodying a can-do spirit. The universal reliance on compressed air shows how a single invention can unite diverse societies through shared technology. Here are some surprising tidbits about air compressors. Did you know that in the late 19th century, Paris experimented with a citywide compressed air network to power homes and businesses? It was like an early internet for energy, but it didn't catch on due to inefficiencies. Another fun fact: the horsepower ratings on consumer air compressors are often exaggerated. A compressor labeled as 6 horsepower might only produce 2 horsepower on a standard 120-volt circuit. A marketing trick that dates back decades. Ever wondered why rotary screw compressors are so reliable? Their rotors ride on a film of oil, reducing wear and allowing them to run continuously without breaking down. This design has made them the go-to choice for industries worldwide. Finally, air compressors have a quirky connection to space exploration. NASA uses specialized compressors to simulate high-pressure environments for testing spacecraft components, proving that this ancient technology still has a place in cutting-edge science. The air compressor's journey from human breath to high-tech machinery is a testament to human creativity. What began as a simple need to stoke fires has evolved into a cornerstone of industry, art, and innovation. Air compressors have powered revolutions, built cities, and even inspired DIY dreams. Their story reminds us that even the most ordinary objects can have extraordinary histories. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the origins of air compressors, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Objectified for more stories about the objects that shape our world. Drop a comment below. What's an object you'd love to see explored next? Thanks for watching Objectified, where the everyday becomes extraordinary. Until next time, keep exploring the hidden stories around you. See you in the next video.